Hi everyone, I'm Miss Charlotte. I'm a teen librarian at Lindenhurst Memorial Library, and today we're going to be painting a glass pumpkin bottle, just like this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need for this craft is the glass bottle that we provided you, your paintbrush, twine, a leaf, and orange paint. So for the first step, you're going to want to paint this glass bottle, and you're going to want to paint it enough times that you're not going to be able to see through the bottle. So each time you paint a layer over it, you're going to want to make sure that it's completely dry before you paint the next layer. What I recommend doing to speed up the process is drying it with a hairdryer. But if you can't do that, then you can just let it air dry. It took me about 3 to 4 coats in order to make it opaque so that you couldn't see through it. But whatever works for you, it's your craft. So, okay, so we're gonna paint this and then we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, so after you're done painting, your bottle should look like this. And you're gonna wanna take your twine, and you're going to want to take your leaf and you're going to want to make a hole through it. And then you're just going to thread your twine through the hole you're going to make the hole through the top of the leaf. You're going to thread your twine through that hole. And you can make a hole with a pair of scissors or hold on. We lost the light there for a second. You can make your hole with a pen or pencil, pair of scissors, whatever works. So you're gonna thread that through there. And then you're going to tie this, you're gonna loop it around, tie it, just like that. And make that into a knot. You're gonna tie it nice and tight, just like that. The next step you're going to want to do is take this whole twine and wrap it around so it covers the entire cap. Okay, so after you've done that and you've wrapped it really tight, you can just tuck under that last piece, you can just tuck it under a random thread and you're done. So you can take the next step and you can add a jack-o'-lantern face or any type of thing that you want, or you can leave it as is and you have your glass pumpkin jar. So if you liked this craft, check out our upcoming take and makes. We're making Halloween piñatas soon, and we're gonna do a pumpkin paint along. I'm gonna teach you how to make a pumpkin into a box. And our upcoming paint night is on October 23rd. So look out for those programs, and I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.